In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Spotify songs to Canva presentation. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your favorite track or playlist into your slides so your presentation has the right mood and energy. First, head over to Spotify, either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Find the exact song or playlist you want to use. When you've got it, look for the three dots next to the title. That's the More menu. Click it, go to Share, and choose Copy Song Link or Copy Playlist Link, depending on what you picked. That copies a direct link to your clipboard, so you're ready to drop it into Canva. A quick tip, make sure the track or playlist is available publicly. Private items may not embed as expected. Now switch to your Canva presentation and open the slide where you want the music to appear. Click on the slide canvas, then paste the link using right-click and paste, or use Ctrl-V on Windows or Ctrl+V on Mac. Canva will recognize the Spotify link automatically and generate a Spotify widget right on your slide. Give it a second to load. If it doesn't appear, check your internet connection and confirm that the link was copied correctly. Once the widget shows up, you can customize how it looks on the slide. Click the widget to select it, then drag the corners to resize it without distorting the layout. Use the on-screen guides to align it neatly with your text or imagery. You can place it in a corner to keep it subtle, or center it if you want to highlight the album art. Consider leaving a little breathing room around it so it doesn't crowd your content. When you're ready to present, enter present mode in Canva, navigate to the slide with the widget, and click the play button on the Spotify player. The music will stream via Spotify, so be sure you're connected to the internet and signed into Spotify in your browser if prompted. Control play, pause, and volume from the widget or your system settings. It's a good idea to test the audio beforehand and adjust levels so your voice or other media isn't overpowered. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.